Are you searching for Buy Gmail accounts for your online business or digital activities? Before choosing any Gmail account service, it's important to focus on security, account access, and responsible usage. Always check the available account details, recovery options, password security, and two-step verification. Never share your password, recovery code, or other sensitive information with an untrusted person. Also, be careful with services promising guaranteed verification, unlimited access, or instant approval. Avoid spam, phishing, fraud, and any activity that violates platform policies. At Incyberit, our goal is to provide useful information about digital marketing, online business, account security, and modern digital solutions. If you're researching Buy Gmail accounts, make security and transparency your priority. For more digital tips and online solutions, follow Incyberit and visit Incyberit.com. Incyberit, smart, secure, and responsible digital solutions.